In the 1960s and 1970s, geologists developed the theory of plate tectonics that recognizes these events as part of a global process that split continents and moves the pieces across the globe, opens and closes oceans, and creates mountains. Plate tectonics is a unifying theory for geology because it answers many questions that had puzzled geologists for years. Plate tectonics is based on many aspects of the Earth that we will be going over today. There are different type of boundaries, such as subduction zones or convergent margins are one of the three type of plate boundaries. The others are divergent and transform margins. At a divergent boundary, plates move away from one another at the axis of submarine mountain ranges called mid-ocean ridges or oceanic ridges. Molten material rises from the asthenosphere to form new oceanic lithosphere at the ridge axis. The ocean grows wider through this process called seafloor spreading, during which the new lithosphere moves outward from the axis to the flanks of the ridge. At a convergent boundary, two plates move toward each other and the oceanic lithosphere of one plate sinks into the mantle below the other. In subduction zones, the lithosphere of the overriding plate may be oceanic or continental. The boundary between the two plates is a deep ocean trench. At a depth of about 150 kilometers, gases releases from the heated and subducted plate rises and partially melt the overlying asthenosphere. The resulting magma erupts near the edge of the overriding plate, forming a volcanic island arc where the overriding plate is made of oceanic lithosphere or a continental arc, where the overriding plate is made of continental lithosphere. At a transform boundary, two plates slide past one another along a vertical zone of fracturing called a transform fault. Most transform faults break ocean ridges into segments and are also called oceanic fracture zones. A few, however, such as the San Andreas Fault in California, the Alpine Fault in New Zealand, and the Great Anatolian Fault in Turkey, cut through continental plates. So remember, divergent boundary plates move away from one another, while convergent boundary plates move toward each other, and transform boundaries plates slide past one another.